Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the USAA mobile application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in and search for USAA Mobile App. Once you find the application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the USAA mobile application. Once the installation is done and you see the open button, tap on it to open up the app. Once you open up the application, you will see the log on as well as join USAA button. Tap on the log on button and now you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your user ID within the online IT section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then tap on the log on button and you will be logged into your account on USAA Mobile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on USAA Mobile app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.